Remember when I said no side projects? Well, I lied, but it only took me an hour on a Saturday afternoon. So what I did is I installed a Dashcam. Please feed the YouTube algorithm by giving the video a like. If you want to see more like this, click subscribe and ring the bell to be notified of new videos. If you want to chip in on my expenses, I now have Patreon and YouTube memberships. COMBAR, Combar, Dashcam front and rear, DC42, an Amazon special, and it's got a rear camera which I mounted here, which overlooks the charging port and everything happening behind the car, and the front right up here above the rear view mirror. You can't see because it's so dirty, but it's right there, and it has a little sticky pad. Can you see it? It's very small, very cute. It has a Wi-Fi configuration setup. It came with an SD card, which is pretty sweet. It's really small and inconspicuous. And the reason I installed it now is because I've got all the carpet and everything torn up. So I mounted here, I ran the cable down behind this pad, through the center console, up, around, under here, and I just used a little tool to go shove, 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 and shove the wires under there. So it was not a great big hassle, and it's in, and it's a very valuable piece of equipment to have if you're driving a car these days when everybody's an idiot driver and you need proof of whatever happened. YouTube, go to Wham Bam Tesla Cam and Wham Bam Dash Cam, and you'll see how bad drivers are. Just before we wrap up, I want to thank my Patreons, Peter Bouvier and Puppy, for their support. We also just popped over 2,000 subscribers, which is quite a nice milestone for my little channel. All support is greatly appreciated. Hey, I hope you enjoyed the video, and if so, please give it a thumbs up. I see that 81% of the viewers aren't subscribed. Please do, as it does help the YouTube algorithm. Take care and see you next time.